Sentence patterns. I write letters with a word processor. Watashi wa wado processa de tegame o kakimasu. I will give some flowers to Miss Kimura. Watashi wa Kimura-san ni hana o agimasu. I received some chocolates from Miss Karina. Watashi wa Karina-san kara chokoreto o moraimashita. Did you study Japanese through television? Terebi de Nihongo o benkyou shimashita ka? No, I studied it through radio. Iie, radio de benkyou shimashita. Do you write reports in Japanese? Nihongo de reporto o kakimasu ka? No, I write them in English. Iie, eigo de kakimasu. What is goodbye in Japanese? Goodbye wa Nihongo de nan desu ka? It is sayonara. Sayonara desu. Who will you write Christmas cards to? Dare ni Christmas card o kakimasu ka? To my family and friends. Kazoku to tomodachi ni kakimasu. What is that? Sori wa nan desu ka? It's a pocket notebook. I received it from Mr. Yamada. Sori wa poketto note desu. Yamada-san kara moraimashita. Have you bought your Shinkansen ticket? Shinkansen no kippu o kaimashita ka? Yes, I have. Hai, kaimashita. Have you finished lunch? Hiroguhan wa tabi owarimashita ka? No, not yet. I am going to eat now. Iie, mada desu. Ima kara tabimasu. Conversation. Hello? Konnichiwa. Hello, please come in. Konnichiwa, dozo hairi kudasai. Thank you, arigato gozaimasu. How about a cup of coffee? Kohi wa ikaga desu ka? Thank you, arigato gozaimasu. Here you are. Dozo. Thank you, arigato gozaimasu. This spoon is nice, isn't it? Kono spoon wa ii desu ne? Yes, it is. Someone in my company gave it to me. It's a souvenir of her trip to Europe. Hai, so desu. Kaisha no heto ga korimashita. Yoroppa ryoko no omiyage desu. Explanations. Watashi, I or me in English. Kakimasu, to write. Hana, flower. Agimasu, to give. Chokoreto, chocolate. Moraimashita, received. Benkyou, study. Nihongo, Japanese language. Eigo, English language. Sayonara, goodbye. Korisumasu kado, Christmas card. Kazoku, family. Tomodachi, friend. Okito noto, pocket notebook. Shinkansen, bullet train. Keppu, ticket. Hirogohan, lunch. Tabi owarimashita, finished eating. Konnichiwa, hello. Dozo ohairi kudasai, please come in. Arigatou gozaimasu, thank you. Kohi, coffee. Dozo, here you are. Spoon, spoon. Kaisha, company. Yoroppa, Europe. Ryoko, trip. Omiyage, souvenir. Reference words and information. Watashi no kazoku, my family. Sobo, grandmother. Informal term for your own grandmother. Sofu, grandfather. Informal term for your own grandfather. Ryushin, parents. informal term for your own parents. Haha, mother, informal term for your own mother. Chichi, father, informal term for your own father. Kyodai shimai, brothers and sisters, general term for siblings. Imoto, younger sister, informal term for your own younger sister. Ototo, younger brother, informal term for your own younger brother. An ane, elder sister, informal term for your own elder sister. Ani, elder brother, informal term for your own elder brother. Fufu, husband and wife, general term for a married couple. Tsuma, wife, informal term for your own wife. Oto, husband, informal term for your own husband. Watashi, I, the speaker, referring to themselves. Kodomo, children, general term for children. Musomi, daughter, informal term for your own daughter. Musko, son, informal term for your own son. Tanaka-san no kazoku, Mr. or Mrs. Tanaka's family. Oba-san, grandmother, formal term for someone else's grandmother. Oji-san, grandfather, formal term for someone else's grandfather. Goryoshin, parents, formal term for someone else's parents. Oka-san, mother, formal term for someone else's mother. Oto-san, father, formal term for someone else's father. Gokyodai, brothers and sisters, formal term for someone else's siblings. Imoto-san, younger sister, formal term for someone else's younger sister. Ototo-san, younger brother, formal term for someone else's younger brother. Oni-san, elder sister, formal term for someone else's elder sister. Oni-san, elder brother, formal term for someone else's elder brother. Gofufu, husband and wife, formal term for a married couple. Oksan, wife, formal term for someone else's wife. Goshojin, husband, formal term for someone else's husband. Tanaka-san, Mr. or Mrs. Tanaka, polite way to refer to someone named Tanaka. Okusan, children, formal term for someone else's children. Musumi-san, daughter, formal term for someone else's daughter. Musko-san, formal term for someone else's son. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!